Okay. Good morning, everybody. I'm here with Heidi Martin.
Hi, everyone.
And we are here today to talk about Heidi's workshop. And this year, our focus is, as you know, if you've been watching our webinar live video series, you will know that our theme this year is love. So I'm just going to ask Heidi a couple of questions about her workshop this year. All right, Ms. Martin. Am I allowed to call you Ms. Martin?
You sure are.
Sounds like you're like a professional teacher.
I know, I like that.
All right, so Ms. Martin, you're going to be coming. How many years have you been coming to Simply Blossoming?
Oh my gosh, I think this will be my 4th or 5th. There's 1 year I had to miss because I was teaching in California, but I think this is like my 4th or 5th.
Oh my gosh, that is crazy.
And I'm so honored. Thank you for inviting me back.
You're so welcome. So this year, our theme is love, and of course, you do the phenomenal work of inner child.
Right.
And your workshop is all about loving your inner child. What the snorkel does that mean? Don't we love our inner child automatically?
No, we don't actually. We actually forget about our inner child, and that's why it's so hugely important. I did learn this technique from the book You Can Heal Your Life, Louise Hay. It's her philosophy, and she's the queen of inner child. And so I've taken her inner child and I've made it into a workshop for Heal Your Life. And it's hugely profound because what I do is I take the ladies back to the little girl there, and I want to bring back that childlike essence, because once you lose that, you're projecting somebody that's not authentic. So I want you to be projecting into the universe your authentic self. And so we have to have our childlike essence with us. So I'll bring you back to when you were a little girl, and I will bring you through different stages, different ages, and I will ask you what you were into back then. What was your passions? What did you love to do? And a lot of people don't even remember. Like, they actually block it out and forget because they're so busy pleasing everyone else in life that they're doing what their husband loves to do, or what their children loves to do, or what their girlfriends love to do. But really, they're completely forgetting about what they love to do as a person. So I'll bring them back, and I have a whole bunch of fabulous exercises to do with the ladies, and I'll really bring out that happiness, that purity, that inner child that likes to have fun in life, which will make you, which will create a higher frequency so that you can feel more love for yourself, and then project that out to the universe so that you're attracting people of the same frequency as you.
Wow. All right. Well, thank you.
I know, I just said a whole bunch there.
I know. Wow. I'm like, okay, wow, where's my inner child? Do I have a good inner child?
You have an amazing inner child, and that's one of the reasons I love you so much. Actually, you're the queen of inner child.
Does that mean I'm immature and goofy?
Yes, but but you're also so wise. Like, I think the wise people in the world are the ones that can be vulnerable and be fun and just let go. And you know, kids always can sense those people that do have their inner child, right? And so can animals. And that's why my dog is completely in love with you, because, you know, spirit can sense, which is my dog's name, spirit can sense your purity,
right?
You know, and your love.
I love Spirit's the best.
Like, even right now, you're just glowing with inner child.
Wow, I'm glowing. Okay. Hi, Jackie Fenton. I see you there. Wave to
Hi, Jackie.
So remember, Simply Blossoming is October the 19th to the 21st. I'm looking at Heidi so I can remember.
Yeah.
The early bird special for ticket sales closes May 31st. So I'm on the road today. I'm leaving here and I'm traveling westward ho to visit with Kirsty once I leave here. So I'm on the road interviewing all these beautiful Blossom Workshop providers. So thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you, everyone, for joining us.
We'll talk to you soon. Bye.
Bye.